Hi YouTube, this is testing of the double crossover from Peco. It's an electro frog which I slightly modified, and as you can see it's all wired up, and I'm going to test it now whether everything is working fine. So let's run a log code across it. Let's see how this goes. Coming up to the point. I hope this is switched correctly. There is a slight jerk, but I think that's only because the wiring is lifting the point. Get stuck there for a second. Usual. Now let's see if we can move this across. Setting it straight. Yeah, like this. No, it's okay. Let's see. Give it a bit of bend so it doesn't get stuck there. Let's see if it goes through. All the way. Yep. Nice and smooth. Yeah. Bit of a jerky wheel here. Okay. So as I said, because it's slightly lifted and twisted, it might derail now, but that will be fixed once it's on the layout. Okay, let's move it. Yeah. On to the other track. So let's see. Reverse. Try to go a bit slower with the cars. Don't get any derailment now. Let's see. No, come on. Actually see the wheels lift when they go across the point. But after all, it seems to be working. So now for the technical part, and I did this video because I had no idea how to wire up a double crossing. Basically what I did was only cut the points here and here to prevent any shorts, and the rest takes care on its own. Of course, you only have electrical pickup in the middle from the switches, from the main, so you get, depending on the connectivity, basically this area can be without power, and you might lose power there when you cross it, so some additional wiring might be needed. I just wanted to make this video so that those of you who also didn't use these double switches to see what's really necessary, just to have a basic setup for wiring, so you don't get shorts, because that was my biggest concern, how this bit would function once it's connected, whether I would get any shorts there. But yeah, the only concern is really losing power in the middle. I did a test run before with a longer locomotive and it went through easily, and as you can see, even the shorter RS11 managed to cross basically two times out of 3 without losing power. So of course it also depends on whether your locomotive has a capacitor for giving it power for a few seconds while it crosses, which is a very good thing because it eliminates a lot of unnecessary wiring needed when you set up your layout. So I guess this works fine. Next step will be planning to set it up on the layout, which I'm building right now, and then test run it there once it's all wired up. It will be a bit more extensive than this. I just really connected these 4 pieces of track to it so I can really test it. So that's it. Thank you. Take care.